I also confirm our appearance on behalf of the state.
Yes, Mr. Mnisi.
I'm still confirming my appearance on behalf of Mr. Mnube and Mr. Sibia.
Yes.
Appearance on behalf of Mr. Mnisi.
Okay.
With the court, my lord, I confirm my appearance on behalf of Mr. Mapisa. Thank you.
Yebo, yebo.
Confirm my lord on behalf of number 5.
All right.
Warrant Officer Mabaso, good morning.
Good morning, how are you, Advocate?
I'm fine.
That's good.
Thank you. Have you ever heard people saying that all that glitters is not gold?
No,
Have you ever heard it?
No, I've never heard it.
Are you hearing that for the first time from me?
Yes.
Thank you. All that glitters is not gold. Now, you are saying, you told the court that in respect of the latest exhibit that you testified about, this latest evidence that you testified about, you were approached by Sergeant Mohula on the 2nd of February 2025, not so?
That's correct.
Yebo kwakungeyi-7 February ne 7 kaFebruary 2025 uma ke uSergeant Mkhula enza lesi sicelo kumina mayelana nezibithi leli esikhuluma ngalo manje.
I'm sorry, sir, on the 2nd too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ziwu-2 kuFebruary.
Yeah. Exactly what was the content of the request to you?
The request was for me to identify a picture where I see an open mouth where teeth is visible. Try to identify where I see God.
Isicelo ke kwakuwukuthi ke ngibheke isithombe la engizobona khona ke umlomo owuvulekile khona amazinyo ebonakala nala engibona khona igolide.
Just a second, open mouth. Teeth visible. And gold. Now, did she specifically indicate to you or tell you whose picture should that be?
As I've been working with accused number 3's pictures, yes, she did.
Ingaba wakutshela ke
Number 3.
ukuthi isithombe sikabani ke leso njengoba bengisebenza ke ngangisebenza ngezithombe zika number 3 yebo ngangazi noma washo ke.
Thank you. Now, did she tell you where should you look? Would that have been in Exhibit S or the entire memory stick that you worked with or you worked on in respect of the memory stick that you found from, that was found from accused number 1's possession, that which you had already worked on?
As I've been busy with the case, I was requested to look at what I have as data from the memory card.
Yeah.
Nanjengoba ngangisebenza ngalo ke icala noma ke icase lena ke ngacelwa ke ukuthi ke ngibheke noma ngibukeke lokho enginakho nanjenge data kuyona i-memory card.
And then I looked on the memory card, even on the pictures that were given to everyone in court.
Ngase ngibheka ke noma ngibuka ke yona i-memory card kanye futhi nazo zonke izithombe ezandluliswa kuyena wonke umuntu la enkantolo.
Thank you. And did she give you a background as to why did she make this request, particularly where the particulars were conveyed to you as an open mouth, a teeth that was visible with gold. Did she give you a background as to why this request that was couched in these terms?
No, no background.
Akazange angitshele lutho ukuthi kwakungani ke noma ke kwakubuya kuphi ke konke lokho angitshela kona ukuthi ke ngibheke izithombe la umlomo uvulekile khona kubonakala amazinyo kunegolide akazange angitsheleke kabanzi ngalokho.
The reason is we do as the investigating officer request. We don't question everything that is brought before us because we are not the investigators.
Esikwenzayo ukuthi ke senze lokho esicelwayo yiloyo ophenyayo noma ke umseshi ke asibuzike noma ke sibe nemibuzo esihlomayo ke kulabo abaphenyayo noma kumseshi.
Now, did this not strike you as a strange request, say?
No, it's part of my daily duties, not at all.
Ingaba lokhu ke isicelo lesi ke akuzange kube isicelo ke esithusayo noma sikumangazayo wena cha umsebenzi wami ke lona engikwenzayo ke kusho ukuthi ke cha akusiyona into eyangimangaza.
Thank you. Now, let us pause on this point. Now, you would also remember that at the very inception of this trial, not really this trial, at the beginning of the investigation, you also requested to download pictures of pictures that were in the memory stick, and those pictures were identified by Brigadier Kininda, specifically which pictures you had to compile the photo album or not so.
That's correct.
Ekuqaleni kuzokhumbula ke kunala khona ke wacela ukuthi uhlanganise izithombe ke uyena Brigadier Kininda yebo lokho kuyiqiniso.
And that was submitted to court as Exhibit S, not so?
That's correct.
Inkantolo ke yase noma kwasekudluliswa ke lokho nanjengo Exhibit S enkantolo.
Thank you. Now, when you requested to do that, which culminated in Exhibit S, you never received a request that was couched in the terms in which this latest report by Officer Mukhale was couched, not so?
That's correct. Request was not the same.
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi ke eqaleni ke isicelo ke sasingafani ke nalesi engisithole mayelana nalesi ke isithombe esikhuluma ngaso manje.
Now, you say because, as I've asked you, if this did not it did not surprise you, and you said yes, it didn't surprise you, would you please, and I'm saying this with the greatest respect, unpack the experience that you have with regard to thief identifications?
I don't have experience as such. I rely on what I see on a picture. That's all.
Ukuthi ke nginesipiliyoni enginaso ke ngokuthi ke ngiboneke noma ngichazeke amazinyo ke anginako lokho noma anginaso ke kodwa mina ke uthi nje uya ngokuthi ke ngibonani phambi kwami noma ke kwisithombe kuphelela lapho.
What do you mean when you say you rely on a picture before you?
If you request me, for example,
Yes.
to look for a picture of a brown bread in a specific device or in a memory stick,
Yes.
I will go look for that brown bread. If I see there's a white bread, I will still proceed to look for the brown bread that was requested. That's what I mean.
Isibonelo ke ukuthi uma uthi kumina ke angihambe ngiyobuka noma ngiyobheka ke isithombe la engizothola khona ke kunesinkwa esibrown. Ngizohamba ke ngibheke izithombe noma ngathola ke isithombe esinesinkwa esimhlophe ngisezoqhubeka ke ngibheke ngoba ke isicelo besithi kufanele ngibheke isithombe esinesinkwa esibrown.
Thank you, sir. Now, you then started to work on the request by Sergeant Mukhare, and you came up with what you came up with, not so?
That's correct.
Kwempela kuyiqiniso ke lokho ukuthi ngase ngibheka ke nanjengoba ngiceliwe ke ngathola ke lokho ke engakuthola.
What did you come up with, sir?
I came up with the picture, across the picture that is being, it has been displayed in court.
Ngase ngithola ke isithombe lesi ke ekutshengiswe ngaso la enkantolo.
That will be the picture that is depicted in Exhibit SD, not so?
That's correct.
Isona ke isithombe leso esi-exhibit SD.
I'm going to request that it be beamed as we proceed with our engagement.
So, no, I thought you wanted to say something.
Yes,
It wasn't finished. Oh, okay.
After I have identified that picture, I communicated with the requester to show the picture if it will suit the request.
Emuva kokuthi isithombe leso sengisitholile ke ngase ngikhuluma ke naloyo ekuyena ke owenza isicelo kumina ukubheka ke nokuthola ke ukuthi ngabe isithombe leso siyahambisana yini nesicelo.
Found the picture. Now let me try to understand the addendum to what you just said as an addendum. You said after you were able to identify the picture, you then went back, you then communicated to Sergeant Mukhale, and you told her that, no, I found what you were looking for. And then from there, what happened?
I communicated to say, I found this picture.
Yes.
If it's what you are looking for,
Yes.
please approve so I can present it.
Ngisitholile isithombe ingabe ikona yini lokho obukufunaka noma ke ubhekile isho ke bese ngizokwazi ukuthi ke ngiqhubeke.
And what then happened?
It was accepted, and then I analyze it the way it is right now.
Okay.
Kwase kwamukelwa ke lokho ngase ngenza ke ucwaningo kusona ke ngalendlela ke esingazi njengamanje.
And did Sergeant Mukhale have a look at this picture before the approval? Mukhula, not Mukhane, but Mukhula.
Yes.
Yebo ke ngaphambi kokuthi ke ngiqhubekeke yebo uSergeant Mukhula ke wasibona ke noma ke wasibheka ke isithombe leso.
And she said to you, I approve. This is what we actually were looking for.
Looked like yes.
Washo ke ukuthi yebo ke ngiyavuma ke kona ke lokhu ebengikufuna noma.
Thank you. Now you say, if you requested to look for a brown bread in a picture, you'll definitely have to go and find a brown bread. And if you find a white bread, you'll tell them, no, this is white bread, it's not a brown bread, not so.
That's correct.
Uyasho ke ukuthi uma utshelwa ukuthi ke funa lokhu noma ke bheka ke isinkwa lesi ke esi brown uma ubona ke esimhlophe abatshela ukuthi cha akusona ke lesi. Yebo kuyiqiniso lokho.
Thank you, sir. Now, when you convey the message to Sergeant Mukhula, except saying, I found what you're looking for, what else did you tell her?
When I say communicated, she has to come in person and verify.
Uma ngithi ke ngakhulumisana ke naye ukuthi ke kwakufanele ukuthi aze yena kumathupha azoqinisekisa ke lokhu mina engikutholile sikhuluma ngaye ku Sergeant Mkhulu
And she came.
impela wezake.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, before even you communicated with Sergeant Mkhula, now we are alone. Well, I don't know who else assisted. Were you assisted by anyone else in identifying what you said you identified?
No.
Ngabe ukhona yini ke wakulekelela ke ukuthola ke lokho othi ikona wena wakuthola cha akekho.
So I will be correct in assuming that you seated alone there at your office with all your instrument which enabled you to identify these photos, not so?
Yes, I was alone.
Ngizobe ke ngiqinisile ke mangithi wawedwa ke office lakho nako konke kokusebenzisayo ukuthola ke lokho othi wakuthola yebo ngangingedwa.
Thank you. Now, when you said that this is what actually the investigating Sergeant Mkhula said I must find, and I found it. Just explain to the court. What is it that you found? Well, except to say it's a golden tip. Explain that golden tip that you found.
I found a picture
Yes.
and identify what it looks like an object on the teeth. And then
Just a second.
Ngathola ke isithombe ngase futhi ke kunaloku kuthize ke okubonakalayo noma kwakhona ke ngakubona emazinyweni.
Okay, you're saying you identified on the photo
Yes,
what looks
that-
like an object on the teeth.
which
Yeah.
can be gold.
Ekungaba yiyona ke igolide.
Yes.
As I was looking for a gold teeth. So-
Sorry. Proceed.
From there, I started the process of processing my report.
Njengoba ngangibheka bona ke lokho ke okuyi noma ngangibheka yona ke igolide noma ke izinyo ke legolide ukusuka lapho ke ngase ngiqala ngiqhubeka ke manje ngawo umbiko wami ireport.
Now, before we go to the processing, just describe this court, the nature and the shape of that which it was an object that you said it was a gold. Just explain it. Just take this court through.
Teeth is white normally, so whatever looks different from the other teeth, I was looking for that.
Okwenjayelo ke amazinyo ke amhlophe nayini ke manje ebukeka ke ihlukile ke kulokho noma ke kwizinyo ke noma amazinyo ajwayelekile ke yilokho mina ke engangibheka.
I just want to capture this. You're saying if the teeth were white,
Okay,
and anything that was not white, we're looking for that.
which is gold. Remember, the focus is on the gold.
Yes.
Yes. Anything that I see could be gold. Yes.
Ukhumbuleke ukuthi ngangibheke ke okumhlophe ke konke ke okuyigolide ke ilokho mina engangibhekile.
Minute number. You're saying the teeth were white and whatever there was gold in the teeth, you're looking for it.
Yes.
Yebo ngiyasho ke ukuthi ke ngokunjalo ke amazinyo amhlophe manje ke ngangibheka ke okungasikona ke noma ke okuhlukileke okumhlophe njengoba amazinyo emhlophe.
Thank you. And now, in your investigation, you indeed find that which was not white and it was gold, which you were looking for it.
Yes, that's correct.
Kuphenyo lami ke ngakuthola ke lokho ukuthi ke lokho ongakho ke mhlophe ke kwakuyona ke igolide.
Thank you. Now back to my original question. That which you found, which was not white, which according to you was gold, can you please explain it to the court? The nature, the shape, how was it shaped? I don't want to put words into your mouth. You did what you did. Just unpack it to this court. How did it look like? Its shape and everything around that, the nature.
It looks like a full teeth.
Bukeka ke njengezinyo eliphelele.
Even though it was not that clear at first,
Noma ke kwakungacacile ke eqaleni.
after doing my analysis, I saw it looks fully on the teeth.
Emuva kokuthi ngilenzileke ucwaningo lwami ngasebona ukuthi ke bukeka ke kugcwele ezinyweni ngiphelele.
So that which was not white, which according to you was gold, was full on the teeth. It means the teeth on which the tooth. I tend to mix this thing. One tooth, but many teeth. No. The tooth on which what you found to be gold, it was all over the teeth. It means the teeth was covered by that which you said it was gold, not so.
To me, it looks so like that, yes.
Okusho ukuthi ke lokhu wena ke othi wakubona ke nanjengegolide ukuthi lelo zinyo lelo noma kuleyo ndawo leyo ke ukona ke kwakumboze izinyo lelo yebo kumina wakubukeka ngaleyo ndlela.
Thank you. Is there any other thing, description that you can give?
No.
Akukho kunye engingakusho ukuchaza.
Thank you. What made you to say that was gold? If ever that was the situation, if ever what you saw was gold, why do you say that was gold?
Because I saw it as gold.
Yini ke ekwenza ukuthi ke uthi lokho wakubona uma kuukuthi kwakuyona ke igolide kwakuyona ngoba kumina ke lokho engakubona ukuthi kwakuyona igolide.
And I've just said to you, have you ever heard people saying all that glitters is not gold? You said you're hearing that for the first time, not so?
That's correct.
Bengiqeda ukubuza ukuthi usuke wezwa yini ke inkulumo lena la bashoyo khona ukuthi konke ke okucwebezelayo akusiyona igolide washo ukuthi uyaqala ukuzwa kumina yebo kuliqiniso.
Not so?
That's correct.
Do you know what gold is?
I would say I know how it looks like.
Uyayazi ukuthi yini igolide ngizothi ke ngiyazi ukuthi ibukeka kanjani.
How does it look like?
It looks goldish.
Kubukeka ke kusabu golide.
No, that's not an intelligent answer. How does gold look like? Explain it. You said you know gold. How does it look like? Don't say it looks goldish. I don't know what is goldish. Explain to me.
Maybe I should point at something. It will.
No, you must point at gold, not at something.
Is there gold in this court?
Excuse me, madam.
You say you must point at gold. Is there
Yes.
gold?
You must point at gold because we're dealing with gold here.
Yeah,
Yes,
but I'm asking, is there gold in this pot?
I don't know.
I see, okay.
Thank you. Point at the gold.
No, I don't want to point at the gold for per se. I just want to point at something that looks like a gold.
That looks
So
like
for,
gold.
for us to understand at least what exactly gold looks like.
Hayi ukuthi mina ngizokhomba ke okuyigolide noma ke igolide kodwa nje into ke uma ebukeka ke njengayo sizokwazi ukuthi sazi noma ke sibona ukuthi ibukeka kanjani.
Maybe I should say brownish. I'm color. I cannot say this exactly this one, but it looks exactly more or less the color I see in front of me.
And you must raise the color. Uthi ke wona ke umbala lona ke awuphakamisayo ukuthi wona ke umbala wegolide lona.
I don't know what color you're raising there. I see you raising a book, but what color that book is, I don't know.
I'm referring to this one.
Uthi kona ke lokho akhuluma ngakho.
What is that?
What is that?
Gold color, according to me.
Mina ke umbala ke lona
Can I have a
wegolide.
look at it? See whether the color is gold. Suppose some people do know.
I'll just take out the documents because this is my diary.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he was raising your diary.
That's correct. It's an OCJ diary.
Oh, okay, thank you, sir.
This is the diary you found, or you handed over to you by the office of the Chief Justice
Yes, my
of the
lord.
Republic of South Africa,
Comes from Midrand in the national office.
right? And it is a crest. Hello? Is this a crest?
Yes, my lord.
I badge, it's not a badge, it's
You
a
know, it's
crest.
a crest, yes.
Bitch.
Yeah?
Bitch.
And from my observation, this crest has a golden color.
Yes.
Okay? Or it is gold. It is gold colored.
Yes, my lord.
You agree? Just show everybody there.
Incwadi kufakaza beyiphakamisa incwadi ke engiyisebenzisayo engayinikezwa lami emsebenzini phecelezi ke lokubizwa ngokuthi ke i-diary ebeyichaza ke ujudge ukuthi inani ke futhi umbala wakhona ugold noma ke uyigolide.
Well, I've never seen gold before. I don't know what the color of gold is.
Okay.
I've never seen gold. Because I usually hear people saying black diamond, so I assume there is also black gold. Yellow diamond, golden diamond. I assume all these precious stones, they differ in color. So I don't want to lie. I've never seen a diamond, a gold one, let alone knowing its color. But be that as it may, thank you. Thank you very much, man. So in your investigation of that photo, say, that is the color of the crest that is on the diary that the court has just been able to have a look at.
That's correct.
Yebo kuphenyo lami ke ikona ke lokho engakuthola ke lombala ke lona uyona ke lencwadi noma i-diary ke le eqeda utshengiswa manje enkantolo engakuthola kuleso sithombe.
Thank you. And on the photo, that you were able to identify to be having gold, is that the same color that you found?
It can't be the same, but it's more or less the same.
Ingaba ke manje kwisithombe lesike lokho wakuthola ke kusona ke isithombe wakuthola ke kuwona lombala angeke kube uwona ke ncama shi umbala lona ke kodwa ke sothi uyafana.
The appearance might differ a little bit, but it's
Indlela ebukeka ngayo ke kusengahluka kusengaba khona ke umehluko.
Thank you. I don't know whether you know the following scenario, say. There are people, and I'm not saying this is the scenario here, in these photos. There are people who, because of the environment in which they grow up, because of the water that they drink, etc., their teeth gets affected and they change their color. It will take brownish colors, it will take yellowish colors, the color of their teeth, because of that environment. Have you ever seen that, or have you ever heard about it?
Angazi noma lokhu uyakwazi yini ke kunabantu ke ngenxa ke yesimo ke sala noma ke indawo ke abakhulele kuzona ke mhlambe futhi ke lokho abakudlayo noma ke abakuphuza yonke ukuthi amazinyo abo ke ayashintsha umbala amanye mhlambe ngaba yellow abe brown angazi noma uyakwazi yini lokho.
I'm not so sure. I've never seen such.
Anginasiqiniseko angazi ngikubone okunjalo.
That's a fact.
Kuyiqiniso lokho.
Yeah.
I'm not denying I've never seen it.
Ngikuphikisi angaze ngikubone.
Yes. For instance, just a bit of a background. People that are staying in countries where there is not a lot of sun, like in the Siberian countries, there, Russia, where there's a lot of cold. Their teeth are not as white as people that are staying in Africa where there's a lot of sun, not so.
Uma nikeza nje lo lesibonelo ukuthi kunabantu ke abakumazwe ke noma kwindawo ke aboma-Russia aboma-Siberia la kungekho ilanga eliningi ke khona ukuthi amazinyo abo ke abo awekho mhlophe nanjengabantu bala eAfrica la khona ke ilanga liningi khona.
No, I have no knowledge of that.
Angikwazi lokho.
Thank you. I've said that was just a bit of a background. But now that I've said it, I take it you already know. You'll be very observant of that situation. So.
Cabanga ukuthi manje njengoba sengikutshelile ke mhlambe into ke leyo ozoyibheka ke noma ozoyiqaphela.
Thank you, sir. Now you yourself are a policeman, and you have been an investigator of note for some time, not so?
That's correct.
Uyiphoyisa ke futhi ke usubumphenyi ke isikhathi ke yebo kuyiqiniso.
Did it not occur in your mind that before making a conclusion that which you saw on the photo that you saw, you needed an opinion of an expert who would tell you whether that was a gold or not gold? Because you seem to me like you're not an expert in that field, not so?
Akuzange kufike noma ke kube yinto umcabango oba nawo ukuthi ngaphambilini kokuthi ke usho ke ukuthi manje ke sekuyisinqumo sakho ke leso ukuthi mhlambe uhlanganeke noma ke ucele ungoti kube yena ozoqinisekisela ukuthi lokho wena ke okubonayo othi kuyigolide ukuthi akunikeze isiqinisekiso sakho lokho.
I tell or state what I see, then the expert or whoever with better knowledge will come up with whatever he sees, and then we'll take it from there.
Mina ke ngisho lokhu engikubonayo uma kuwukuthi ke kunongoti ke ungoti uzosho lokho ke yena akutholayo noma akubonayo ke bese ke kuthathwa ke ukusuka lapho ukuya phambili.
No, Mnisi. My question is very clear. Did you, as a seasoned investigator yourself and as a policeman, and knowing that you are not an expert in the field in which you were requested to do this investigation on, did it not dawn in your mind that, hey, I am not an expert in this field, but I've identified these things. But to make assurances doubly sure, let us actually refer what I've seen here to an expert who's versatile in this field, so we can have their opinion. That never dawned in your mind.
No, it never done.
Akaze kufikeleke lokho ukuthi wena ke nanjengoba ungasiyona ke ungasiyena ungoti kuloko ukuthi ke awuke uceleke umuntu okwaziyo ke lokho ukuthi ke akusizeke ngakho cha akufikanga kumina lokho.
It's up to the investigating team to take it further.
Kukwithimba eliphenyayo ke ukuthi bona ke bakuthathe baqhubeke phambili ke ngalokho.
Mine is to identify and give report.
Okwami ukuthi ke ngithole bese nginikeza umbiko.
So, the information that you related to the investigating team or to a member of the investigating team that which you saw on the photo there is gold. You're not even so sure up to now that that is indeed gold, what you saw, not so?
My first statement as I was testifying, I said it's gold, meaning I'm sure it's gold.
Lokho ke owakuthola ke lapha yana wona ke othi igolide ke awunaso ke isiqiniseko sakho ukuthi kuyimpela kuyiyona igolide. Istatement sami sokuqala uma ngithula ubufakazi ke ihlandla loqala ngasho ke ngathi igolide okusho ukuthi ke ngakusho lokho nginesiqinisekiso.
And it's up to the defense to prove me wrong.
Ukumelike noma kubamelike ukuthi ke bangitshengiseke ukuthi cha lokho engikushoyo mina ke akusikona noma akusilona iqiniso.
And we are getting there. We are getting there, but let me just correct you, say, you still have some time in the police force. The defense has got nothing to prove. Do you understand? They've got no burden to prove anything before court. Do you understand?
I do understand that. I know.
Akukho kubamelike ukuthi ke batshengiseke ukuthi akusiyona ke umsebenzi wabameli lo ukuthi kube yibona ke abaprovayo noma ke abavezayo. Ngiyakuzwa uma usho kanjalo.
Thank you. So as you standing there now, let's forget about what the defense will be doing. As you standing there now, you're not so sure that the information that you gave to the investigating officer, that was gold. It was indeed gold, not so?
Yes, to make it looks gold. That's why I said it's good.
Awunaso ke isiqiniseko kule ndawo mekuyona ukuthi lokho wakutshela wona ke ithimba eliphenyayo ukuthi kuyona igolide mina kubukeka kuyigolide ingakho ngasho ke ukuthi iyona igolide.
Let's use my terminology, not yours. I'm not saying it looks like. I am saying you are even today not so sure that which you identified and you called gold. It was indeed gold, not so?
Scientifically, so yes, I'm not sure.
Uma uthi ke anginaso ke isiqinisekiso ke I don't have the Zulu word for scientifically, no.
Bungweti,
Medical.
was a science.
Yeah. Uthi ke uma isebenzisa ke ngokweze ngokokabo ke okodokotela angeke ngishikhulumeke nanje ngayo udokotela scientifically ukuthi ke yebo nginesiqinisekiso.
So when you told this court on the 16th, on the 12th of June, when you said to this court that, as you were laid in evidence in chief, that there is gold on his teeth. Actually, this is what you said. I can see on his teeth there is some gold.
Say the date.
on the 12th June 2025, yes.
Okay.
When you told this court that I can see on his teeth there is some gold.
Ngazo ke i-12 zika June kuona ke lonyaka lona ke uma ubuzwa ke waphendula ke washo wathi ke ngiyabona ke emazinyweni akhe igolide.
That was just a speculation, a guesswork.
It's what I believe I see.
Ilokho ke mina ke engangikholela ukuthi ke ngiyakubona.
And your belief was founded on the fact that the color that you looked on that tooth was different from the other colors, not so?
That's correct.
Lokho kwakuwukuthi ke umbala owawubona lapho ke wawuhlukile ke kumbala ke obona noma kwamanye amazinyo yebo kuyiqiniso.
Thank you, sir. You also compiled Exhibit S, not so?
That's correct.
Uhlanganise futhi naye ke exhibit S yebo kuyiqiniso.
And you also testified on Exhibit S, not so?
That's correct.
Ngethula ke ubufakazi futhi ngaye.
Thank you. Just to give you a bit of a background, after your testimony, the state also, after several witnesses, after your testimony, the state also led Brigadier Kininda, who also had an opportunity to give testimony on Exhibit S.
Emuva kokuthi umbuso ukubizileke noma ke uphothulile ubufakazi bakho ubizeke abanye ufakazi omunye wabo ke uBrigadier Kininda naye ke uwethula ubufakazi ngayo exhibit S.
Now, it was taken through Exhibit S with the view to identify what it sees on the photos there. And then Brigadier Kininda, in one of his testimonies, because he testified for a very long time, in one of the days of his testimonies, he testified about what is contained in Exhibit S, photo number 15. I'm not so sure if you are in a position to have that being on the big screen. There it goes. Are you in a position to enlarge it, please? Thank you. If you can just put it in the middle. There you go, there you go, there you go. Thank you. Brigadier Kininda also testified on this photo. In his testimony, he said there was accused number 3 and the golden teeth is clearly visible on his upper jaw. What is it? Oh, on the upper quadrant. Yes, on the upper quadrant. That is just by a way of a background.
uBrigadier Kininda wethula ubufakazi ke ngaso lesi sithombe wathi uyena ke umsola wesithathu nokuthi ke igolide iyabonakala ke kodwa ke lamazinyo angaphezulu.
Do you follow?
I'm hearing.
Ngilalele?
Thank you.
Ngiyezwa.
And indeed, I'm not a golden expert. I'm not an expert in gold, but also from here, from where I'm standing from, there I'm almost 15 meters from the screen, or actually 20 meters from the screen. I'm not so sure it's not 25, but it's somewhere there. I am able to clearly see that what appears there on the upper quadrant, the right-hand quadrant, upper, yes. Let me put it very clear. on the upper right-hand quadrant of what is depicted in that photo there, there is something that looks very shiny. You don't need to speculate, but there's something very shiny there. Do you see it?
Yes, I do see it.
Ngiyabona ke nami ke ibanga leli engimekulona ke ukuthi ke ngaphezulu ke la khona ke okuqhubezelayo ke akusona ke into efanele icabangele ngiyayibona nje. Yebo.
And what would you say is that? Or what does it look like? I don't know. Yes, I think that's an appropriate question. What does it look like?
It looks like a teeth.
Kubeka njengezinyo.
With what?
You are pushing me to say something. I said it looks like a teeth or tooth.
Ngithe ke kubukeka nanjengezinyo ke ngathi ngiphushela ukuthi bekhona ke lokhu engikushoyo.
Like gold.
Njengegolide.
Why do you seem to have difficulty in saying that it looks like a teeth that is covered in gold? Does it not look like that? I'm asking, does it not look like that? A teeth that is covered in gold.
A teeth that is covering gold. I see a gold that is covering a teeth.
Mbona mina ke igolide eyombeze izinyo.
Is the same.
No, it can't be the same. It can't be the same.
Is the same. In Afrikaans, they say, "Ik praat nou in die bedrijvende forum en jy sê dit nou in die leidende forum."
I can't even hear what you're saying, sir. But all I know, a teeth can cover a gold in a place.
Engikwaziyo ukuthi izinyo lona ke ngeke lemboze igolide.
I'm saying a teeth that is covered in gold.
Ngithi izinyo elimbozwe igolide.
And you are saying it is a teeth, it's a gold covering a teeth. Is that not the same thing?
Okay.
The man cap the hout wordt the man cap. Is that not the same thing?
It's the same.
Thank you.
I can hear some of Africans. I did Africans just at this long time. Bantu education, I was one of those.
Thank you. Now, when you take this photo and you put the photo that is in Exhibit SD along it, would you say what is exhibited there in photo number 15 on Exhibit S in terms of the teeth and the gold structure that is so visible, is that the same thing as what is exhibited in Exhibit SD?
I don't have exhibit. It might not be the same thing or otherwise, but I don't know.
No, don't talk. We are going to give you that SD so that when you speak, you refer to SD. Actually, I was wondering if technology allows that the two pictures be beamed simultaneously, like isn't it simulcasted side by side, so that they also get visible on the big screen, so that accused persons here are able to follow, accused number 3 is able to follow, as we do the compare and contrast. I'm not so sure if that is possible. I think the court has there's a technician here, an in-house technician who can come and assist in this regard, Marit, because now I don't want to keep on working on papers and saying here, there, and there. I don't want to confuse the record. We are going to mark that picture, which is now on the screen, picture maybe A, and the other one that is going to be opposite it is picture B. And we'll be talking in terms of picture A and B. Do you understand? I wonder, my Lord, if I can request for indulgence so that we arrange that.
Okay.
It's 10:11 now. It's 16. Maybe 16 minutes, 11. We can adjourn for tea break. In the meantime, we'll also arrange for the exercise.
You'll advise me.
Still doing the same thing.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Yeah.
If I don't see some of the things, bear in mind what you did to my hand.
Now, let us start with the photo that is on the left there. I'm going to point it to this one. Thank you. Now, because this exercise is going to do with the issue of a teeth or there not being a teeth, let us look at that first photo. In the mouth of the person that is identified in the first photo, what do you see?
I see teeth.
Emlonyeni walo muntu kulesi ke isithombe ngibona amazinyo.
Yes. What else?
One covered with gold,
Elinye ke libozwe ngegolide.
On what side of the quadrant? The quadrant is, you know, the sides where the teeth are located. On what side of his quadrant? Do you see
if
teeth that is covered with gold?
I did say yes, I see that.
Ngishilo ukuthi ngiyabona lizinyo leli elibozwe ngegolide.
Yes, but now the question is what side of his quadrant? What side of his mouth?
Right side.
Kuhlangothi ngosokudla ke emlonyeni wakhe.
Thank you. Does that appear to be a lower quadrant or the upper quadrant?
I call it jaw, upper and lower jaws.
Yeah.
Yes, it's upper.
Kumazinyo ke angaphezulu.
Thank you. And just to give you a bit of a background, Brigadier Kininda said that was accused number 3.
Uma ngakutshela ke uBrigadier Kininda kubufakazi bakhe wathi ke umsola wesithathu loya.
I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa.
It's not an objection per se, but Brigadier Gininda did qualify that at some stage he might have made a mistake. It's not accused number 3. So it does not end there.
Umshushisi siyakulungisa ke lokho ukuthi kunala ashilo ke khona uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ke ngabe wenza ke iphutha ukuthi apheli nje lapho ukuthi ke wakulungisa ke washo ukuthi ke cha angabe walenza ke iphutha uma athe umsola wesithathu.
Brigadier Kininda said that was accused number 3. It's there on record. Thank you, sir. Now, let's proceed. Let's go to the picture on the right-hand side, on the right-hand hand, this one. This one.
Okay.
Thank you. Who do you see there? Or whose image does that picture exemplifies?
Isithombe silabanye lesiyasikulise esina kulehlangothile manje isithombe.
Accused number 3.
Umsola wesithathu.
Thank you. Why do you say that is accused number 3?
Kungani usho?
I worked on the on accused number 3's pictures. I can definitely say it's him. I can see him also here in court.
Nanisebenza ke ngazo izithombe zakhe umsola wesithathu ngasho ukuthi ngiyasho ukuthi uyena lesiqinisekiso nala enkantolo ngiyambona futhi.
Thank you. Let's go back to the first picture. This one. Who is that person?
It's difficult for me to say.
Kunzima ke kumina ukuthi
Accused number 3 as identified by Brigadier Kininda.
It's difficult to say that.
No.
You are saying?
I'm answering now. Is accused number 3 according to Brigadier Kininda.
I'm trying to understand.
let me refrain.
Okay.
The picture on is it right?
This one, I'm asking you, who's this person?
The left.
Accused number 3 as identified by Brigadier Gininda.
Umsolo wesithathu uyabuza ku-advocate ukuthi ubanike lona umsolo wesithathu nanjengoba eshilo-ke uBrigadier Gininda.
Thank you. Does this person that you say is accused number 3 as identified by Brigadier Gininda, is this the same person as the one that you refer to as accused number 3 that you have worked on and he is here at court today?
Lo muntu lona-ke othi-ke umsolo wesithathu nanjengoba ashiwe echaziwe uyena uBrigadier Gininda, umuntu oyedwa-ke naloyana wena-ke othi umsolo wesithathu usebenzile ngazo izithombe zakhe futhi uyambona la enkantolo namuhla.
Yes, I can say that.
Yebo ngakusho lokho,
Is that the same person?
umuntu oyedwa.
Yes, ngibona, I see as one person.
Yebo ngibona-ke nanjengomuntu oyedwa.
The difference could be maybe the camera that took the pictures.
Umehluko-ke kungaba mhlawumbe-ke mhlawumbe-ke ikhamera lena-ke ekuyiyona-ke eyathwebula iy'thombe.
Thank you. Now, in terms of your identification of, as per the request from Mohula, from Sergeant Mohula, as to the teeth, that you said it was a golden teeth. Where did you find the golden teeth to be situated in respect of the person that you yourself say is accused number 3 and is here at court and you had to work on his pictures? Where was that golden tooth situated?
Manje-ke kwisithombe lesi othi-ke wasebenza ngaso-ke umsolo wesithathu uyambona ukhona nala enkantolo igolide noma-ke izinyo-ke leli-ke legolide-ke othi walibona-ke lalikuphi nendawo.
It appears to be on the left side on the picture.
Kwisithombe-ke kubukeka-ke kuhlangothi lakwe sokunxele.
However, as I was demonstrating on Thursday, I used my right hand to identify where the picture, the tooth or the gold tooth could be.
Kodwa-ke uma bengikhomba-ke ngolwesine ngisebenzise-ke isandla sami sakwesokudla.
Let me help you, sir. I'm going to give you this torch. I'm sorry. I'm going to give you this torch just to show us again where did you identify the tooth to be on the picture which is now on the right hand side. Can you please do that?
If the court pleases, can I go near the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Can you point again? Nabona ne? Nabona? Ngizakhomba khona-ke.
Thank you.
Mhlambe.
I wanted to repeat what I said.
Bengifuna uphinda-ke ngikushilo.
Yes.
On Thursday to put on record again.
Yes, please.
On Thursday, while busy testifying, I identified the gold teeth and I used my right hand. I even raised my hand to say, from my right hand, I see a gold teeth from the second visible teeth.
Yes.
Ngolwesine-ke nkathi ngethula ubufakazi bami-ke ngishilo-ke ngize ngisebenzisa-ke isandla sami sakwesokudla ngize ngasiphakamisa-ke isandla sakwesokudla ngathi-ke kwizinyo-ke lesibili-ke elibonakalayo.
The reason I was saying that it's because I believe the picture in front of me, the one we're busy with, might have been taken by a front camera.
Ngishilo ke lokho ngathi ke izathu ke ukuthi ke isithombe lesi ke esikhuluma ngaso ke kungenzeka kwathi ngabe kusetshenziswe ke ikhamera yangaphambili,
Which we call it selfie nowadays.
ngeyikhathi zamanje ke sikubiza lokho njengokuthi yi-selfie. Yeah, oh.
Thank you. May I kindly get the pointer then? Warrant Officer Mabaso, did you say to the court that the reason why you are saying that the golden, what you say it's a golden teeth is on the right-hand side of that photo, right-hand upper jaw of that photo, as we are looking at that photo, is on the right. It is because that photo was taken by what is known as a selfie. In other words, it's a selfie.
I believe it was taken by the front camera, which nowadays we call selfie.
Ngikushoyo ke ukuthi ke kwasetshenziswa ke ikhamera le yangaphambili esithi masekubiza ke namuhla sithi kuyi-selfie.
Which I would like to demonstrate before court if I can take a picture and show court what I mean.
No,
Uma engathanda ukuthi ngiceleke inkantolo ukuthi ke ngiyitshengise inkantolo ngokuthi ngikwenzeke lokho ngokuthi ngithobuleke isithombe ngiyitshengise inkantolo lokho engikushoyo.
Wait. My question is that what you told the court?
Can you repeat your question?
My question is that what you told the court?
Maybe I'm a little bit lost. I just want you to repeat exactly.
I'm asking you. You are saying the reason why you say that what you see as a golden tip on the upper jaw of that picture that you worked on, it's because of the fact that that picture was taken through what is called a selfie.
It's what I believe it could have been taken by a front camera.
Yes.
Yes.
Isithombe lesiyana mangisho ke ukuthi lokhu engikholela ukuthi ke uma sithwetshula ke kwasetshenziswa ikhamera yangaphambili.
Now my question is that what you told to the court on the 12th of June 2025?
I didn't elaborate to that extent.
Kodwa ke uma nge-12 kaJuni ke angizange uma ngikhuluma ke ngikusho ngaleyo ndlela.
Now when you said to the court, this is what I told to the court, this is what I said to the court, what were you meaning?
I mean, I was saying I used my right hand to identify the gold teeth from the mouth there.
Uma bengithi ke yiloko bengitshela inkantolo ngithi ke ngasebenzisa isandla sami sakwesokudla ukuthi ngikukhombe.
With the belief that the front camera has been used.
Just a second.
I'm just arranging it so there are courts that are without interpreters.
Okay. So apparently there's an arrangement that Mr. Jonas is doing with his colleague. Thank you. So it is incorrect for you to say that that little addendum is what you told to the court, not so?
extra explanation on Thursday. I didn't go through that, yes.
Lokho ke uma bengithi ke yiloko engakutshela inkantolo yebo ngolwesine ke uma ngikhuluma ke noma ngithola ubufakazi ke angishongo ngaze ngafinyelela lapho.
It is therefore incorrect for you to say it now that you have told to the court on Thursday, not so.
It's incorrect to say I told the court
Yes.
that I believe it's a front camera that took the
Mr.
picture.
Mabasa, just be
Mr. Mnisi,
professional.
let the witness explain.
I don't want disbelief, my lord. I'm asking him
Sorry,
a specific
are you
question.
through in explaining, sir?
Yes.
Mr. Mabasa, I'm asking you a specific question. It is therefore incorrect for you to have said earlier on that what you have just said now is what you told to this court on Thursday.
Which one that I've just said now?
And I'm going to repeat this for the upteenth time. The fact that you say this photo was taken from a selfie.
Yes, I didn't, that's why I said I didn't get to that explanation.
Yilungako
On
ngisho-
Thursday, yes.
Ingakho ngisho
Thank you.
ukuthi ngolwesine angifikanga lapho ke uma ngichaza ukuthi ke ngathi noma ke kwasetshenziswa ke ikhamera yangaphambili kuloko sekubiza ngokuthi i-selfie.
Thank you. In that photo, which you have worked on, as per the request of Sergeant Mohula, where did you locate the gold? Where did you locate what you are saying is a golden teeth?
On the right hand side of my right hand, as I'm looking at the picture,
Nanjengoba ngibheke isithombe ke kukuhlangothi ke langakwesokudla kwisandla sami.
When you look at the picture, in the picture itself, let's forget about yourself. In the picture itself, where is that gold?
it's on the left hand side.
Kodwa ke kwisithombe sona ke kukuhlangothi langakwesokunxele.
Thank you. Now you are saying the two pictures here, they depict 1%. Is that not what you said?
According to the statement you gave that Brigadier Gininda identified that one as the same person, yes.
Manje ke okushoyo ke la enkantolo ukuthi ke le ithombe lezi umuntu oyedwa leya yebo ngokwaloko okushiloko ukuthi lokho kwashiwo uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi umuntu lona ke okulesi sithombe sokuhlangothi langakwesokudla umuntu oyedwa yebo.
I further asked you, Brigadier Mabaso, when Sergeant Warrant Officer Mabaso, that according to you, according to your observation, is that one and the same person? And then you said yes. Didn't you say that?
I did say yes,
Yebo ngishilo ke ukuthi yebo uma ungibuza ukuthi umuntu oyedwa yini ngathi
And-
yebo. Sorry.
mentioned that as identified by Brigadier Gininda,
Ngase ngiqhubeka ke
the
ngisho
other one.
ngisho ukuthi nangendlela ke asho ke ngayo uBrigadier Gininda.
So the reason why you say that that these two photos that are depicted there, or that are flighted, they depict one person, and you also say it is indeed one person, is because of what Brigadier Gininda said.
It's because my identification and his identification, yes.
Ingabe uthi ke isizathu sokuthi ke umuntu oyedwa lo ilokhu ngokuthi ke uBrigadier Gininda washo kanjalo yebo ke ngendlela mina ke engibona ngayo naye abona ngayo.
So you confirm what Brigadier Gininda said.
I will say because I think it's from Exhibit S,
Manje ke uqinisekisa lokho okwashiwo uyena uBrigadier Gininda
which was identified, all those pictures was identified by Brigadier Gininda.
ngothi ke ngoba ke lokhu kubuya ke kuona noma ithombe lezi zibuya ke na ke exhibit S owakhonjwa-ke noma o-identify uyena-ke ubrigadier Gininda.
Thank you. Now, let's proceed. Let's just, yeah, let's proceed. Yeah, and then I can see you nodding and you're showing with the thumbs up that we need to proceed. I think this aspect is a little bit troublesome. So this
No,
is
it's
the
not
reason why we
troublesome.
need to proceed. Thank
It's
you.
not troublesome.
Thank you. Let's get to the picture that is on our left. This one. No, this one. The picture that is picture number 715 in Exhibit S. Let's talk about it. We have said we have identified a gold in that picture. Not so. Or not really a gold. A teeth that is covered in gold, not so.
Yes, correct.
Ushilo ukuthi kulesi-ke isithombe-ke wabona-ke izinyo elimbozwe igolide yebo.
And where is that tooth again?
Right hand side of the upper jaw.
Kuhlangothi la ngasokudla.
If I'm correct, yeah.
Kumazinyo angaphezulu uma kuwukuthi-ke angenza iphutha.
Thank you. And is it further correct that the photo that you requested by Mohula to work on, you saying you saw that golden teeth on the left side of the upper jaw?
That's correct.
Kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi kulesi sithombe wacela umkhulu ukuthi usebenze ngaso-ke lo igolide leyo wayibona-ke kuhlangothi la ngasokunxele kumazinyo angaphezulu yebo kuyiqiniso.
However, I stated I use my right hand to identify. There was a reason for that.
Kodwa-ke ngishilo ukuthi ngasebenzisa-ke isandla noma ngisebenzise isandla sami sangakusokudla-ke ukukhomba nesizathu-ke salokho.
Yes.
That it might have been taken by the front camera of a phone.
Ngokuthi-ke ngichaze ukuthi kwangenzeka-ke ukuthi kwasetshenziswa-ke ikhamera yangaphambili yayo ifoni.
Which is a selfie.
Which we call it selfie nowadays.
Lokho-ke esikubiza-ke nanjenge-selfie.
Thank you.
Which mostly it appears, it opposes the, let me say, the left hand. You're, on a picture, when you take a selfie from the front camera, it opposes your left hand and your right hand and vice versa.
Can you repeat that?
When you take a selfie with a phone, it opposes the left and the right hands or side. Let me say like that. When you take a picture, a selfie, it won't come up the same way as you. It won't appear exactly the way you took it if you view it after taking it.
Engishoyo ukuthi uma ngabe uthatha iselfie-ke ayingeke uma ngabe usuyibheka-ke noma uyibuka-ke manje ibukeke ngale ndlela wena uyithathe ngayo.
What is a selfie, say?
Selfie is a picture taken by a front camera of a cell phone.
Iselfie,
That's what they call it.
iselfie isithombe esithwetshula uma ngabe usebenzisa-ke ikhamera yangaphambili yawumakhalekhukhwini.
So you're saying that photo might have been taken by a selfie, which is the reason why what appears on that photo there is a vice versa.
That's correct.
Usho kanjalo ukuthi-ke iselfie-ke leyana ingakho-ke manje lokhu okubukeka laphayana-ke kungabukeki noma kungekho-ke ngendlela okwathwetshulwa ngayo yebo kunjalo.
Is that what a selfie does?
Yes, that's correct. We can demonstrate as of now.
Ingabe yilokho okwenziwa iselfie yebo futhi-ke singakhombisa-ke lokho njengamanje.
Say. let me spare you the agony. Yeah. The photo that is on the right-hand side there, it's a photo to accused number 3. The photo which is on the left-hand side, it's a photo that belongs to his elder brother, who's now deceased.
Oh, okay.
Angikutshela lokhu ke ukuthi ke isithombe lesi ke sikusandla sakho sokudla umsolo wesithathu esikusandla sokumaleke umfowabo oma ubhuti wakhe osewashona.
Oh, okay. They look alike.
Bayafana.
What is a lookalike there?
I mean, they look almost the same.
Ungathi nje abantu nje abangathi
They appear to be, you can see they are brothers, like we are saying.
ukuthi nanje ngobusho uyabona ukuthi ke umuntu nomfowabo.
You know, Warrant Officer Mabasa, I'm not so sure if this was explained to you before. You are here to assist the court, not so?
Mm-hmm.
And as somebody who is, I don't know whether they call you an expert or what, you are a neutral person. As you're standing there, you're not wearing the crest or that badge. No. The SAP badge or the DPP's badge or the defense badge.
Mm-hmm.
We are a neutral person. Do you understand?
I do understand and I know very well.
Thank you.
Lendawo omekuyona ke awusenake umuntu othatha uhlangothi umuntu nje oyimele awugqokileke ibadge le yamaphoyisa eyubumeli noma ke ye-DPP ngiyakwazi ke lokho.
Thank you.
Even where it favors the defense, I can say it.
Nala futhi ke kukhulumela khona ke noma kukhuluma uhlangothi labameli noma le defense ngizokusho.
Let me bring it to your attention again. You're making a mistake. The defense does not want any favoritism. You say what it is. It is for the court that is going to decide how to use that evidence. Do you understand?
I do
There's no
understand.
favoritism here.
I do understand.
Thank you. Now, I just want to sum up here. As I've said, the picture that is denoted on the left-hand side, it's a picture, that photo, it's a picture of accused number 3's elder brother who is now deceased.
Nanje ngoba bese ngishilo ukuthi ke umfowabo esinye isithombe lesi ubhuti wakhe ke osewashona.
The photo which is on the right-hand side, it is indeed, and that elder brother is not here, by the way. Yeah. And the photo which is on the left, on the right-hand side, it's a photo that depicts accused number 3 himself, and he is here at court. There he is, it's accused number 3. Do you understand?
I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa ke uma uthi ke lesi ke sikuhlangothi sokudla uyena umsolo wesithathu ukhona la enkantolo.
Thank you. And accused number 3 says, this photo, which is on the right-hand side, it's a photo that was taken in 2012.
I hear you.
Umsolo wesithathu ke uthi lesi sithombe lesi isithombe esathwetshulwa ngo-2012 ngiyakuzwa.
It's a photo that was taken at a house where he was staying at in Foslores.
Esathwetshulwa ke kumuzi ayehlala kuwona eFosloras.
Okay, I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Thank you. By the way, what did you say? When was this photo taken?
I'm not so sure. I think 2014
Yeah, no, look at your
or
papers.
9 something.
Okay.
Anginasiqiniseko-ke kodwa-ke 2014-09.
Twenty 2014-09-02, 1632-00.
Thank you.
Okay. 2014-09-02 isikhathi u-1632.
According to you, as a data analyst, this photo was taken on the 2nd of September 2014 at 16 hours 32 seconds. At 32 minutes past 4 in the afternoon, not so?
According to the data I received.
Yebo ngokwemininingwane engayithola-ke kwakungeyi-2 zikaSeptember 2014 isikhathi-ke u-1632.
Now accused, Mr. Mngube, accused number 3 says, in January 3rd, are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
In January 2013, he got arrested.
January 2013. Okay.
Uthi-ke umnumzana uNcube waboshwa-ke ngoJanuary 2013.
And he was released on the 17th of 1709. What is the 9th month? September. Yes, on the 17th of September 2014.
Wase etetelwa-ke ngeyi-17 of September 2014.
Are you able to follow?
Yes.
And he was incarcerated at Boksbeek. Boksbeek prison or Boksbeek, yeah, I think it's around Boksbeek.
I hear you.
Thank you.
Wayegcinwe noma-ke evalelwe-ke ejele lase-Boksburg.
Now, that simply means that when you are saying that this photo was taken on the 2nd of October, 2nd of September 2014, that is incorrect because at that time he was in custody.
I hear you.
Okusho ukuthi-ke lokho kushoyo-ke wena ukuthi isithombe lesi sathwetshulwa ngeyi-2 zikaSeptember 2014 akusilona iqiniso ngoba-ke wayesejele ngaleso sikhathi.
But importantly, this photo is not a selfie as you're trying to make it sound or as you're trying to make it look. It's a photo that his friend took through his photo. In other words, his friend used his photo.
His photo, phone.
I'm sorry, his phone. Let us assume his friend was Frank. Frank used his own photo and took this picture and then later on send it to accused number 3's phone.
Uthi-ke isithombe lesi sathwetshulwa-ke umngani wakhe sesisetshenziswa asithi nje leyo mngane hayi ukuthi kanjalo asithi leyo mngane loyo-ke uFrank uyena-ke uFrank owasebenzisa umakhalekhukhwini wakhe wathobela isithombe lesi wase sithumela kuyena-ke umtholo wesithathu.
I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Thank you. No, thank you. Actually, when I say friend, there must be a prefix there. It's a girlfriend.
Oh, okay. I
It
hear
was shot by his girlfriend.
Okay, I'm not
Asibonise-ke
denying.
lokho ukuthi-ke usisi-ke athandana naye noma ayethandana naye.
So this is way much against what you are saying, that according to the information that you have, and I will come to that information, that this photo was taken on the 2nd of September 2014.
Lokho-ke kuyaphikisana-ke naloko kushoyo wena ukuthi-ke isithombe lesi sangeyi-2 zikaSeptember 2014.
I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Any comment, except to say you hear me?
Okay. The comment on that aspect will be the information that is here was downloaded like this and gives these dates.
Sorry.
That what is saying, I'm not against it, but I'm relying on what I get from the downloaded information.
Thank you.
Imininingwane ke ngalendlela ke engangayo la noma ke ebhalwe ngayo ke indlela ke ngayithola ngayo angiphikisani ke naloko akushoyo ke kodwa ke information mina ke ngayithola ke noma ke downloader yaphuma kanjena.
Now, if needs be, Mr. Mnube says he will go to extraordinary heights and depths to submit documents to this court to show that on the day on which you are saying that this photo was taken, he was in custody.
I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa ke kumele uthi ke umnumzana Mncube uthi ke angenza noma yini ke ukutshengisa ke kwenkantolo ke noma ke ezeke namaphepha ke akhombisayo ke ukuthi ke ngalelanga leli yena ke wayesejele.
And that's a promise that you are going to keep. No, I say we. It's a promise that Mr. Mnube and me as his defense that you are going to keep.
Okay, I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa
Thank
ke
you.
uma uthi ke isithembiso leso enizothi ke nisenze noma nisidineke wena naye umnumzana Mncube.
Thank you. Any comments?
Pertaining to the picture.
No, pertaining to what I've just put to you now.
No, no comment.
Thank
Akukho
you.
engakusho kulokho.
And I heard you saying that you basically don't dispute what Mr. Mnube is putting to you through me. All that you can say is this is what you got, the information that you put on record that this picture was taken on the 2nd of September 2014. It's information that you got from his downloads.
Yes, that's correct. And you can't manipulate or do anything on it.
Thank
As
you.
it is, that's correct.
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi ke imininingwane ngokwendlela engayithola ngayo ke akukho ongakwenza kule mininingwane noma ngokwendlela ke oyithola ngayo.
Thank you. Now, as we go on that metadata again, on that metadata, we see here that there was a modification that was done on that photo on the 16th of July 2014, not so? At 2100 hours,
Yes,
21 minutes.
2014 0716 212100. That's correct.
Lana ke kulesi sithombe noma ke uma usibuka ke yabona ukuthi kukhona ke kwenziwa ke kusona nge-16 zika July 2014 isikhathi ke u2121.
Thank you. What is modification, sir?
Modification happens whenever you switch on the phone, disconnect whatever, a memory card or a battery, and then put it back. Once you switch it on again, most of the things modifies themselves, gives you a date.
Okwenzekayo ke lana uma sikhuluma ke ngayo noma ngaligama leli modification ukuthi uma kuukuthi ukhipha memory card or SIM card, memory card ne
Memory card.
i-memory card noma mhlambe ke ukhiphe yona ke i-battery ubese futhi uyayibuyisela ke ezinye izinto ke zibe sezenzeka noma sezenzeka ke ngalendlela ke noma kuloko kubizwa ngokuthi ke i-modification ziyazenzekela zona ke uma uyibuyisela i-battery.
Is this modification not in respect of the picture that you're talking about?
Picture we are talking about, yes.
Yebo sikhuluma ke ngesithombe.
I'm saying to you, Sergeant Mabaso, Warrant Officer Mabaso, this modification that we're talking about here, which you have mentioned in your papers there, it's a modification as it affects, as it has got to do with the picture that you worked on, not so?
Yeah, I said yes.
Engikushoyo ukuthi lokho qeda kusho ke manje kumayela nesithombe lesi esikhuluma ngaso noma oyithula ubufakazi bakho ngaso yebo ngiqeda ukusho manje.
Thank you. Now, listen to me. The question won't come from those papers. It's got to come from me.
No, I'm refreshing my mind.
Oh, you're refreshing your memory.
Yeah.
No, you can take time. And
No, it's
refresh it.
fine. Let's continue.
Oh, okay, no, thank you. Because I don't want to be perceived as somebody that is not fair to you. Do you understand?
Oh, you are monitoring every movement I'm doing. Yo.
What are you saying?
You are monitoring every movement I'm making.
You're saying I'm monitoring every movement that you're making.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, no, thank you.
Whatever I touch something, you can notice. Whatever I do, you notice. That's good.
Thank you. What else did you observe?
No, only that for now.
Oh, okay, no, thank
We
you.
shall
sir.
see further.
Thank you, sir. Now, the picture gets taken, and we're talking about a picture here, not so?
Yes.
According to you. The picture gets taken on the 2nd of October 2014, and it gets modified on the 16th of July 2014. Do you understand?
Yes.
Lana ke sikhuluma ngesithombe ukuthi ke sona ke sithotyuka ngey2 zika September 2014 bese kuthi ngey16 zika July 2014 ila khona ke kwenzeka lokho sikubiza ngokuthi ke ukumodify khona yebo.
You know, Warrant Officer Mabasa, I'm something. I do understand a lot of things, but there are certain things that I need to be very honest, that sometimes I need to get clarification on before I can say that I do understand them. Ne? Tell me, how do you modify something before it actually comes into existence or into being?
It's how we got it from the information. Remember, we did not modify ourselves. The information came as it is.
Manje ke kwenzeka kanjani ke ukuthi wenzeke khona lokho kubhaliwe ke khona lana ukuthi ke into ke yenziwe ke noma ke imodifywe ke kodwa lokhu akukabi khona ke ukhumbuleke ukuthi ayisithina ke esakwenza lokhu imininingwane sayithola ke ingalendlela ebhalwe ngayo la.
So, the information that you received here, if we were to put it in a rudimentary or in an elementary way, the simplest form is that the picture gets taken on the 2nd of September 2014, and it gets modified on the 16th of July 2014.
I remember.
That is the information that you
yes,
got
yes,
from the
yes.
metadata.
I don't have that much, but remember, the information comes from a memory card,
Yes.
which can be inserted into different devices.
Okay.
So while in one of the devices, once you change to this device, change to this device, it modifies itself. So there's a possibility it might have been that during the changing of this memory card to this device, something like this happened. But I'm not so sure.
Ukhumbuleke ukuthi lana sikhuluma ke ngememory card ke futhi ke imemory card ke mhlawumbe izokhishwa ke kulo makhala ekhukhwini ifakwe kulona ke bese yakhishwa la iyofakwa kulo yake kulokho ke kungenzeka ke lokho esikhuluma ngako noma esikubonayo ke lana kodwa ke lokho anginaso ke isiqiniseko sawo.
Mine is to say as it is,
Yes.
not to misdirect court. As it is, as received as it is,
Yes.
as to what transpired, why is this modification and whatever, I take it as it is, because I'm not allowed to modify or multiply, manipulate anything.
Ukhumuleke ukuthi mina ke engikushoyo yilokhu engakuthola ke futhi ke okubhaliwe ke lapha okwami ke akusibonaka ukuthi bekhona kodwa noma bekhona ke engikushintshayo ke la.
Thank you, sir. But when we follow the sequence of events in respect of this photo, is that the modification came even before, according to the dates here, even before the photos was taken, not so?
That's correct.
Kodwa ke uma silandela ke lokho okubhaliwe ke lana ukuthi lokho kwenzeka ke kusona isithombe lesi ke noma ke umodifier lokho kwenzeka na ngaphambilini kokuthi isithombe sibe khona yebo kuyiqiniso.
In other words, there was a modification even before the photo was not even there, but modifying the photo that we're speaking about now.
I won't say it was not there, I'm not so sure.
Angeke ngithi ke isithombe sasingekho lapho anginasiqiniseko salokho.
Even if the date says otherwise on the created,
Noma ke idate yona ke isho okunye ke la.
is how we got it as we download the memory card.
Indlela ke salithola ngayo uma ke sesidownloada yona ke i-memory card.
Thank you, sir. Let us talk a bit about this metadata, this metadata. Ne? You received a cell phone from the investigating team, and with a certain request. And as you go through, as you open the phone, you realize that it has got a memory card, not so. Thank you.
Yebo ngithola ke lo cingo futhi ke mangilivula ngithola ke ukuthi line memory card.
Now, the request is, can you please download everything that is in that memory card for purposes of our investigation, not so.
That's correct.
Bese kuyacelwa ke ukuthi sicela ke ukhiphe ke noma ke konke ke kule memory card ke lokho sikwenzela ke uphenyo lwethu yebo.
Now, as you download the information that is in the memory card, photos come out, and those photos are accompanied by metadata, not so.
That's correct. Some give metadata, some don't. Yes, that's
Yes.
correct.
Yebo kuphuma ke ithombe lapho eyinemininingwane eminye ke akukho okubhaliwe noma imininingwane ekhona.
Thank you. Those photos that gets downloaded and they are accompanied by this metadata, you then store them in your system for future sake, not so.
That's correct.
Bese ngithi ke mina lokho ke noma lokho kutholakele bese kuyagcinwa ke kwi-system ukuthi ke kuzosetshenziswa ke mhlambe ke noma uma kuzophinde kufuneke.
Thank you. Now, the reason why and then you repackaged the cell phone and the memory card into those exhibit bags, seal it back, and request a member of the investigating team to come and fetch it, because now we've got a backup of your own, of what you got from the memory card, not so.
That's correct.
Bese ngithatha lona kucingo lolo kanye ne-memory card ngifaka ke kuzona ikhwama zobufakazi zamaphoyisa ukuthi bazozithatha noma bazokulanda ke lokho ngoba mina ke sekukhona ke lokho noma ke ukhona engikutholile engikhiphile futhi ke okugciniwe ku-system.
Now, when the investigating team comes and say, can you please assist us with what you downloaded from the memory card? Maybe they are bringing to you a CD or a memory stick. You simply push that gadget into your own backup system and quickly transfer what is in your backup system into either the memory card or the CD, not so as is, not so.
Yes, there's we have to engage some processes to get to where it is, but it's correct.
Yebo kuyiqiniso ke lokho kukhona ke kufanele sikwenze ukuthi ke kufinyelele kuloko kodwa ke usho kona ke uma ngabe usho ukuthi kuloko bazothi beze nako ke ngiyakuthatha ngikufake kuyona ke isystem yethu bese ikhipha ke noma idownloada ke information enginayo ku system.
What I'm getting at here, Warrant Officer Mabaso, is the fact that when the information that is in your backup system gets transferred into the memory card or the city, when it's cut into the city, for all intents and purposes, it must just be a duplicate, the exact duplicate of what is contained in your city. I mean, in your backup system, and what is contained into either the memory card or the city, not so.
That's correct.
Uma ngabe ke undlulisela ke lokho bona ke abaze nakho ke kufanele kube ikona ke lokho okuyona ke system yethu noma kuyona i-memory card kukabi into ehlukile.
Now, there we are at Eden. In others, we agree there, not so. No, you can't know. The mic does not pick up when you know the.
I agree with you.
Thank you.
That's how it works.
Thank you. My Lord, it's almost 7 minutes to 1. May I request that we take a short adjournment? I mean, an adjournment for the lunch as well, my Lord. We'll come to that too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, Jen.
Well, I don't know. I don't know if
It is.
it's a smartphone.
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you. I don't know if we can have a volunteer.
Now let him use his own phone because he says it's
Oh,
possible.
okay, shoot yourself.
Changing it, yeah? You can even put it down. Raise your right. No, not that way.
Sure.
Okay, it's fine. I think you can see the position we are in right now.
Excuse me?
The position, how we are standing.
Ukuthi uyasibona ukuthi sime kanjani ke njengamanje.
When we go to a picture that they've just taken, you can check the position there.
No, don't worry. We'll transfer everything to the screen.
Give it to
Yeah.
the doctor there
Yes, let it be transferred to the screen.
and then beam it so that everybody can see.
Yes.
Uthi ke uyasibona ukuthi sime kanjani mina naye uzobona ke mase vese.
No, but now, Mr. Mabaso, Warrant Officer Mabaso, the first photo that you took, it was what you referred to as a selfie, not so.
That's correct.
Now, the one that follows must be a photo that gets taken by somebody as you're standing there, not so, which is not a selfie.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah.
Someone can come.
Pella, we need to be shown that the photo that you have taken earlier on is
Yes.
deleted, then it's taking the new photo altogether. I say it is one. Yes. Sorry. The other time when Mr. Jonas was taking that photo, I think he was raising his right hand, so.
No,
yeah,
it
he had
don't.
done-
He then stopped me, he said
It won't appear, it's just to activate the the camera to take a picture.
What?
It's how we take, as you raise your hand, you are saying, get ready, I'm ready. And then as you put down.
Or when the
then
photo was taken, his hand was on the desk.
It's
there.
like he was pressing, he was taking a picture like. When you do like this, you are telling the phone, take the picture, and then when you put back, the arm is already done.
Ah, uyabona ngiyaxakeka.
You
How do you tell the
activated.
phone take a picture? And is the picture not taken by you?
Can you please let the witness demonstrate? Because
Okay.
he says the movement of the arm.
Can you time it?
Wow.
And then you, like mine, I used a hand. Once you raise a hand, it will count 1, 2, 3, and then take a picture.
Wow, right, I see.
You understand?
Yeah.
Get a smartphone.
Thank you. So we've got two pictures that have been taken from one picture. From what is taken from what is known as a selfie. The other picture is just a normal taking of a picture, not so photo.
Can I ask the doctor to send me something? I don't have his number on my WhatsApp. No, it's fine. I'll send it.
Mr. Ramsipil is talking about a Bluetooth. Now we've got a golden tooth. Now we've got a Bluetooth.
Okay. All right, I got it.
So we've got a Bluetooth there.
No, not the Bluetooth. I'll send it to the
Okay.
to doctor there. Let me see.
What is this guy? Actually, you said there was no Wi-Fi here. Even now, it's still not there.
But he can use his own.
Which one?
The doctor can use his own.
Because the data of the court doesn't work. I'm told that there's no Wi-Fi in this court. So if you use your own data, fine, it will work. Otherwise, there's no Wi-Fi. Hello? Does it make a difference? Warrant officer,
It won't make a difference.
it won't make a difference. Okay, fine. Okay.
May I approach accused?
What do you want to explain, sir?
I just want to ask the person who was taking the picture if she took two pictures. But I see there's two pictures.
Yeah, where's the lady?
Yeah. I might have sent one picture taken prior to you. Yeah, that's one. No. No, it's fine. There are two. I sent it the same picture to.
So are you going to put them next to each other, those two, the pictures?
Advocate Sibanda Malor is informing me that we need to be a bit patient because apparently the system is still running its course. As it is the court, my lord. It seems as though the system is a bit slow. I'm not so sure whether we can proceed to another aspect and then we'll come to this one, but we're not, yes, because I don't think that's going to work, because the next item that I'm going to get to would also involve the system. You see, so it takes us back to square one.
Sorry, how long does this demonstration take?
No, as long it can appear there, it won't take it.
What do you mean as long? You can't quantify the time.
No, I can't. Depending on the person who's busy transferring that.
Oh, the person who transfers.
Yes, so that we can see it.
I hear you.
He already got it.
Oh, you have it, doctor?
Yeah, he got it by.
He did receive the photos on my cell phone.
On your cell phone?
He's have to transfer them now on the laptop.
But wait. Are they two on the cell phone? Like the experiment is supposed to be?
3 photos.
Yeah, fine, 3 photos. Just show them to the witness so that he can tell us, even if they are not yet transferred to the screen, that in your cell phone they demonstrate allegedly what he says happens. Then we can show each and every member of the defense and the prosecution and myself that that experiment actually works.
The first picture
Yeah.
that we took from the front camera,
Yeah.
it really shows us standing the other way around.
Esoqala isithombe ke lesi besithathiwe sona si-selfie ke asisivezi ke ngale ndlela esimi ngayo manje ke.
Not, yeah, fine, not the way you are standing.
Yes.
It's the other way.
Yes.
Okay, show it to the defense and then show it to everybody so that we can all be at idem. Is that the correct position, Mr. Baloi? Hello? Is that the same position as he describes it?
Let me answer the question, or maybe Mr. Bado, you can.
No, you have a look at it and tell us what you see.
My lord, what I see in this photo is the following. As I am looking at both gentlemen with me standing here looking at them,
Yeah.
Mr. Jonas is on my right hand side. And Warrant Officer Mabasa is on my left hand side. Also on the photo, as I'm looking at it now, in the phone, Mr. Mabasa is on my left hand. Mr. Jonas is on my right hand.
There's no change there. That's what Mr. Mnisi is saying. You know what? Wait. Just get out of the box.
Yes.
And demonstrate personally to each and every person. Because he says nothing has happened. That's what Mr. Mnisi says. Hello?
Okay, no, let him say.
Yeah, give the phone to so that he can demonstrate it to
Mr.
you.
Mabasha.
Give it to.
Nothing is changed.
Jesus. Hey. Hello? You're showing it to Mr. Jonas.
In this photo, I am on the right.
What do you see? Wait. What do you see on that photo?
I am on the right, he is on my left.
That's it. Wait there. Show it to Mr. Sabanda. Yes. Mr. Jonas is which side? Hey. I should be confused.
My lord, on the picture that
Hello?
on the picture that is on my phone now,
Yeah.
Mr. Jonas is on the right, my right,
Yeah.
and then Mr. Mabas is on his left.
Right. Give it to Mr. Baloi. Because this is different from what Mr. Mnisi is saying. Tell us what you see, sir. No, you have already told us. Give it to Mr. Ramosipidi.
For me, nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. Yeah, wait.
On the picture that I'm viewing at the moment, Mr. Jonas is on the right. The way they were standing, and Mr. Warrant Officer Mabasa will be on the left.
Wait. Let's demonstrate how you are standing. Because you are standing on the right and Mr. Jonas was on the left. That's how they are standing. He is on the right. Wait. He is on the right. He's on the right. The witness, warrant officer, is on the right. And Mr. Jonas is on the left. As they are standing. Is that not so? Is that how you are standing? So you are saying it will transmogrify itself into the opposite.
It did on that picture.
I want to dispute.
My lord,
As you are looking at them,
if you look at this one is a direct picture that was taken in front of the two people. Then if you take a selfie, it will change the position.
That's what this witness is saying, but this is not what the people who are looking at what the witness is saying. Say the same thing as you. So you agree with Mabasa, warrant officer?
Yes, my lord.
You agree with what he's saying?
Yes.
Right. Give it to Mr. Nomalo. Hey, my daughter. What?
as I'm looking at them now, my lord, Sergeant Mabasa is on the left, Mr. Jonas is on the right, right? I'm now looking at on the photo, on the phone. It's in the same position.
And Miss Mchololo, you see what he's saying? He says it's different from what you're saying. It can't be the same.
No, don't move to another position. This one, Advocate
This one is the
Mshado.
direct one. A selfie is this one.
We are working on this one. We are working on this one. So as I'm looking at them now, Sergeant Mabasa is on the left, Mr. Jonas is on the right. When I look on the photo on the phone,
the point of the demonstration is that image-wise, Mr. Jonas will be on the right and the warrant officer will be on the left. Does it show it that way?
no,
No.
no.
Okay. Bring it here, let me see.
So,
How many photos are here?
2 or 3.
Now come and stand here, because I must see. You can stand up here, let's see. Just tell me. Just show me yourself, originally you were standing on this side of Mr.
I was on the right.
On the right, as you are looking at the photo, let's see. You are on the right here. You are on the right here.
On the phone.
Yeah, on the phone.
Of the phone.
Yeah.
But on the left of my.
May I show them that you're on the right? Go and show, start with the doctor. Go and show the doctor that you're on the right. God. Jesus. Hey. Hello, no, stand there. You're going to do the rounds there. Is he on the right there? Doctor, are you standing on the right on that photo? When you're looking at
I think Mr. Mnisi is referring to his right hand side, the witness is
Yeah.
referring to the right hand side of the image.
So maybe
Madam, I think now that we have seen this photo, whether this photo it's a selfie or a direct photo, I don't know. Let Mr. Mabaso then indicate. Mr. Mabaso, the photo that has been circulated here, is that now a direct photo or a selfie?
it's a I think it will.
can we make progress?
It's a let me say selfie.
Selfie. Let us say a direct photo then. It would have been best if we were seeing them there on the screen, the selfie and the direct photo.
It confuses when you maybe send it to a new one device.
How does it confuse? Because it's just a transfer. How does it confuse?
Maybe it's confusing.
Maybe it's
But
confusing.
it's fine. It's fine.
Let us send it to the screen and then they show them simultaneously side by side. Then we'll be talking about something that we're able to see physically. Because now when you're moving the phone around here, the other one is using a left-hand hand, the other one is using a right-hand hand, then it's twisting them around. So
Can I maybe, if the court wishes, take another picture where a hand is up or something, so we can post it.
it won't make a difference. You can do that.
No.
Whose hand will be up?
No, I'm taking myself
Yourself with the hand up. And
with my hand.
yeah, fine, okay.
That's a selfie.
And thereafter, what do you do?
minute. No, put your hand there. Put your hand there. Yes. Now, what are you doing now there, Warrant Officer Mabas?
I'm sending.
Or you're sending it to Advocate Sibas?
What is that picture? Hello, can you explain what is there?
What's the other thing?
Now that photo, it's what, a selfie or what?
That's a selfie, my lord, yes.
Hello?
It's a selfie.
Has
my
it
lord.
changed position?
When I look at it, like I'm looking at it
Yeah.
from now, it didn't change the direction.
I see.
But when I go and look at it, like face it,
Yeah.
it says, I cannot say it's on the right or what. It's like it has changed the position. My hands.
Manje ngibona iselfie lena-ke akushintshile kodwa uma ngihamba ngena phambi kwayo-ke zokuthi izosishintshile-ke izandla.
Okay.
Are we able to get them shown side by side today? Or are you still saving them?
Yeah, I can see a juxtaposition.
Yes,
I say I can see, it looks like, when you look at it here, it looks like it's on the left.
no, this is editing.
There's no editing.
Hello?
There's no editing, what you say.
When did you edit it? Because I'm looking at you.
There's no editing, it's like that.
No, hey, let's have progress. Hello?
No.
Let's have progress. Just tell us that demonstration in your own words. What does it show?
That's editing.
Editing. I see.
What is that? What is that? Just exactly there. What is that?
Yeah.
What is that?
Mr. Mnisi, what the court sees, it's a juxtaposition of the original position. It was on the left. Now, there is another one which is on the right. If you don't see that, we can argue it later. Fine, let's continue. Now he's being accused of editing the...
No, that is editing. Madam.
Yeah,
It's not an
fine. You can
accusation.
argue that he edited the camera in court.
And my lord.
No,
this is not,
let's have progress, please. Otherwise, there won't be problem. Progress.
there won't be progress, my lord, because somebody is fiddling with is fidgeting with the photo.
Who's fiddling with it?
I think the operator.
So the
operator is
doctor now is
fidgeting
fiddling with the evidence.
Let us take him out, my lord. I think the best thing is to take him out. Let's go and get somebody neutral.
This gentleman is an officer of the court. Now he's saying,
But he's not an operator, my lord. He's an officer of the court. Yes, his duty is here to prosecute and not to operate these things.
I don't know, man, but the court and Mr. Mnisi will tell me if I'm wrong. Mr. Mnisi is talking about a neutral person. The gentleman from ENCA is making some comments here, man. Mr. Mnisi is talking about something neutral, someone neutral. I don't know. I'm just saying. If it's wrong,
no. Everybody can see what this gentleman was saying happens. Hello? The warrant officer. We can all see it. Whether it's manipulated or not, but we can all see it. Okay, let's proceed. We can all see it.
What are we seeing, my lord? Because that
What the warrant officer explained happens. Okay, let's go. Let's continue.
Then before we proceed, my lord, where is the photo? This is a selfie. Then where is the other photo that was taken as an original photo, which is not a selfie? Yeah, the one that was taken by the court ordered. This is fidgeting.
Do you have any other further questions, Mr. Mnisi?
I do have questions, my lord.
Yeah,
Plenty of them.
Ask.
But they are going to be based on the same system. Now, my worry is if we are going to rely on Advocate Sibande for him to assist us with this system, I have very serious reservations with what I've just seen now.
Okay, you will bring your own operator then. Fine.
I don't have, my lord. My own, I don't have.
No, you must bring your own.
I don't have.
Your client's own. Like
He doesn't have. He's in custody, my lord.
he was in custody, but he was able to be examined by a dentist. Is that not so?
Yes, but that
Logically, it follows.
This is something
Logically, it
different.
follows that he can also get somebody to operate that gadget. Let's continue.
As it please the court, my lord. Let me take instructions.
God. Hey. One base.
May you please take out that picture which is fidgeted? Mr. Malori is saying that he's not happy with what he's seeing there, because it is apparent that that is not what this witness said. we are putting this aspect of the evidence in abeyance. We're not done with it. And may I just put it on record, my lord, that if it were to happen that the last photos that have been denoted to us now have been fidgeted, I don't want to talk of consequences. I definitely do not want to talk of consequences, because there's no reason why an officer that is here at court, whoever it is, can interfere with evidence that the court is supposed to be taking a decision on. Thank you. There will definitely be consequences. Thank you, my lord. Now, you said, just a recap before I according to this, information from the memory stick, information that then gets down, like gets printed from the memory stick, it doesn't change, that's all.
That's correct.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, that information, that is that metadata, it also doesn't change, that's all.
It won't change.
Thank you. Now, do you recall, Sergeant Mabasa, Warrant Officer Mabasa, that in 2023, I think July, just the commencement of this trial, the team of defense, yourself and the state assembled at the office of the DPP, where these photos that were downloaded from Mr. Mnube's memory stick were transferred into memory sticks, and which copies thereof were given to us. Do you remember?
I do remember.
Usakhumbula-ke ngo-2023 sihlangene-ke emahhovisi abashushisi, thina ukhona nabashushisi abameli iy'thombe lezi zandluliselwa-ke kwi-memory stick. Yebo, ngiyakhumbula lokho.
Now, do you agree that the person who downloaded or who transferred that information into the memory sticks that each of the defense counsel has here, that process was done by you, the downloading was done by you?
It was done by me, yes.
Usakhumbula-ke ukuthi umuntu wayekwenza lokho-ke ukuthi edownloada-ke iy'thombe lezi kwakuwena? Yebo, kwakuyimina.
Thank you. And against the background, the fact that you are saying the information in that memory stick should just be the same with what was downloaded in the memory in the memory card of accused number 1. I want us to have a look at the following. This is the memory stick that that was downloaded, or this is the memory stick that we received from the state in your presence, which contain the photos that were downloaded from Mr. Mnube's memory stick. Thank you.
Yona-ke le memory stick la esadownloada kakhona-ke kuyona-ke ekaMnumzana uMncube memory stick.
Yeah, no, now, my lord, that's the problem that I have, because there's information that I want us to go through this memory stick. But because of the reservation that I've hinted about earlier on, I don't feel comfortable to have Advocate Sibande operating this, with what I saw in the photos there. I'm going to request for an adjournment so that we go arrange for somebody to come and deal with the memory stick here, because I'm avoiding to use the word fidgeted again.
Can I?
No, even yourself as well. I don't want you to touch it.
No, I don't want to touch it. Can I comment? I just want to make you.
Yes, let's hear. What do you want to say, sir?
There's a original data. There's a copy of original data. It won't be the same.
Kunedatha ke okuyiyona uqobo noma ke original kube khona ke icopy angeke kufane.
The original data is the one that is on PDF.
Original data yile eku PDF.
The one that I did on 2023, it's a copy of the original, which will differ in a date. It will give us the date when I transfer it to a memory stick.
Bese kuthi ke icopy lena ke le engayenza ngo2023 yona ke izohluka ke ngoba ke izohluka ke nange date le idate le engayenza ngakhona ngayo ngo2023.
Even some of the pictures will not give the exact name. It will come up with another name that it creates when as I copy.
Futhi ke neyithombe lezi ke angeke zibe naleli gama ke lizoba nelinye igama ke igama elizothi ke libe khona ke noma lidaleke ke kuyona icopy noma uma ngikopha.
So a copy original data that is from the memory card downloaded and is converted into a PDF format to show the metadata of every picture won't be exactly the same with the one that is a copy that was transferred into a memory card.
Bese kuthi ke idata ke lena ke eku memory card angeke yona ke kube eyodwa ke naleyo na ke eya be isindluliselwa ke noma itransferwa.
That's the reality. It won't reflect the same metadata, but it will be the same picture.
Kuzoba yisona isithombe sona kodwa ke imininingwane lokho kubizwa ukuthi phecelezi ke metadata angeke kube kufanele noma kube yikona.
The reason behind that is I took it straight from the XRY format, copy it into a memory stick.
Ngoba ke izathu noma ke imbangela yalokho ke ukuthi ke ngayikhipha ke kule format ke bizwa ukuthi XRY ngabe sengidlulisela ku memory stick.
Yes.
Unconverted, as you transfer it into a memory stick, it will give you the date when you transfer. I can't remember very well with whatever, but if it can be here, I can tell you.
Kodwa ke uma ngabe usindlulisela ke manje izokunikeza idate leyana ke okuyiyona engayitransfera ngayo engasayikhumbuli kodwa ke uma ingalana make ngayikhumbula.
When I say original from the memory card or from the phone, remember the data that you said it's stored for future reference. It's logged. Whatever was downloaded 2015, even today, it will stand as it is. It won't change because it's logged. For you to change the information, you have to convert it into a PDF or copy it like I did.
Kodwa ke noma yini ke noma lokhu ebonaka kwagcinwa ke kuyona isystem yethu noma kwenzeka ke ngo2015 uma ungaya khona ke lapha ngoba ke kulokho noma kubhalelwe ke angeke kushintshe lutho ngaphandle kokuthi ke bese kuyashintshwa kudluliswa kuyona ke kuyitshintshelwa ke PDF noma ke kuyakopia noma njengoba mina ngenza.
You tell me when you're done, Warrant Officer Mabasa.
Yes, I will. That data that was requested to be copied,
Yes.
it's a copy
Yeah.
with a reference of a date different to the original one.
Lemini lokho kwacela ke bona kuyi copy ke kwaye futhi ke ne reference ke ehlukile ke kule eunqo.
I'm done. Thanks, my lord.
Warrant Officer Mabasa, just to check up your memory, how many times did I ask you that are we agreeing that the information that was downloaded from the memory card that was in accused number 3's phone will be similar, it will be identical, even when it gets transferred into a USB and into a disk? How many times did you say, yeah, no, it should be that should be the case?
I may have maybe not hear you well,
Ah, yeah.
but the reality is, from the original to a memory stick, it won't reflect the same, because by then you are modifying, you are copying from that picture to an action is happening. It will tell us when, why, it will give us a date when you do that.
Kusengenzeka ukuthi ke nkathi ke ukusho noma ukubuza ke lokho ukuthi imininingwane ukusuka kuyona ke memory stick ma isindlulisela kayishintshi ukuthi ke angibuzwanga kahle ke kodwa ke ukuqiniso ke ukuthi angeke ke kufaneke uma usukuthatha ke original usungidlulisela noma ke ukukopia noma ke ukutransfera angeke kufane noma kube into eyodwa.
Yes.
I may have misunderstood you or understood the word memory card and memory stick. They sound the same. I couldn't hear it well. So what I'm saying now, from the memory card, it will remain the same. When you convert it using the XRY to view the pictures, as you take that picture into another storage, it will change the date. It won't be the same with the original. It will give the date of when you did that.
Kusengenzeka ukuthi ke amagama ke wasebenzisa ke la engakuzwanga khona ke kahle kune memory card kune memory stick kodwa ke uma usungidlulisela ke lokho uma nje unezela kusona ke isithombe leso uma isindlulisela ngalena ke idate izoshintsha.
My apologies, I didn't hear you well there. I may have answered otherwise. I didn't hear you well, my lord.
Ngiyaxolisa ke lapho kusengenzeka ukuthi angikuzwanga kahle ngiyaxolisa kulokho.
Mr. Mabasa, my question is, how many times did we agree on that? Simple as that. Was it once, twice, or 3 times? Or do you want me to remind you?
If it will serve the purpose, yes.
It's not my purpose, it's for the court's purpose.
We are referring to
Let me remind you, I've said it 4 times. You said, yeah, no, yes, we agree on that. The information must be the same. Information must be the same. Information must be the same.
That's why
Do you still remember that?
That's why I'm saying I may have misheard or confused the word memory card, memory stick.
Ingakho ngisho ke ukuthi ke kusengenzeka ukuthi kube yiphutha kumina ke ukuthi ke amagama la amabili ke memory card kube no memory stick.
And it happens, I'm human.
Kuyenzeka ke lokho ngiwumuntu.
Mr. Mabaso, for heaven's sake, you are an expert. That's how you were introduced. In fact, that's how you introduce yourself. You are an expert. How then on earth does an expert in your field confuse a memory card and a memory stick?
He doesn't say it confuses him. He says he may have misheard you or misunderstood you. I mean, what more must he say?
No, but that's what he says, Mother. He says he was confused. He confused the word memory card and a memory stick. It comes from the word confusing.
And according to him, there's a difference between a memory card and a memory stick.
Yes.
So if you confuse the one for the other, the results can't be the same. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, and I'm trying to explain.
Oh.
I didn't hear.
Don't make mistakes.
Come again?
Experts don't make mistakes.
I do understand, but I'm not an expert.
Okay.
I'm an analyst.
You're an analyst, okay.
Yes.
Ke uma kuthiwa ungoti ke abawenza amafutha kodwa ngiyena ungoti kodwa ngumcwaningi.
Exactly. How on earth would an analyst who has been working on this thing for more than 3/4 of their life can today come and say, I have confused a memory card and a memory stick? How does that happen?
It happens.
Does it happen now?
An analyst is a person. If you hear and you don't hear well, it happened. I didn't hear you well, like I'm saying.
Kuyenzeka ke ngoba ke umcwaningi.
I'm not denying. I'm saying I did not hear it. I thought you are talking about the memory card, memory stick, memory card. That word, memory card, memory stick. confuse me as to where are you referring to?
Ngiyakuzwa-ke kodwa-ke umcwaningi naye-ke umuntu amaphutha uyawenza-ke ingakho ngishilo ukuthi-ke la magama amabili-ke u-memory card, u-memory stick.
I confuse the word. That's the honest truth. I confuse the word.
Mr. Mabasa. Mr. Mabasa. I thought you had come here to assist the court.
Yes.
But I have no reservation in saying to you that we have come here as a hired gun. We have just come here as a hired gun. But unfortunately, when the gun arrives here, it starts to misfire, as you are just doing now. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm putting it to you, Mr. Mabasa, that you have come here, or I had thought that you had come here to assist the court. However, from what is happening now, I have no reservation in putting the following to you. It can be interpreted.
No.
Okay, mina-ke bengithi-ke noma bengicabanga-ke ukuthi-ke uzela nanjengomuntu-ke nomufakazi-ke ozolekelela-ke inkantolo, kodwa-ke lokho kwenzekayo-ke manje noma-ke engikuzwayo-ke kuwena-ke awuzile-ke ngalokho ukuthi uzolekelela-ke yona inkantolo.
You have come here as a hired gun. And unfortunately, you being such a hired gun, you start to misfire when you are supposed to do your work as a hired gun.
Kodwa-ke manje-ke lokho-ke okuyikona okuzeleke lana awukwenzi noma asikona-ke okwenzayo ukuthi-ke ulekeleleke inkantolo.
I have just misheard you from the word memory stick and memory card. But all in all, the pictures on the memory stick and the pictures on the memory card are the same. Will look the same. On the metadata, it will be the date and few things which I'm not aware of now, because I normally don't testify about those copied pictures unless requested.
Ngishilo ukuthi-ke kube yiphutha-ke mina-ke ukuthi noma-ke ngingakuzwanga kahle-ke uma ukhuluma ngayo i-memory card noma-ke i-memory stick, futhi-ke iy'thombe lezi-ke ezikuyona-ke i-memory card nezikwi-memory stick kuzoba yizona-ke kuzoshintsha nje imininingwane-ke ethize, ama-date, kanye futhi-ke nekuthize kuyona-ke i-memory, i-metadata noma imininingwane le ebhaliwe-ke ngaphansi. Ngokwenjwayelo-ke angivamisile-ke ukuthi-ke ngithule ubufakazi ngawo-ke amakhophi.
I misheard the word, like I'm repeating, memory stick, memory card.
Ngiyaphinda-ke lokho ukuthi-ke igama-ke noma amagama lana-ke angiwazwanga kahle.
So you misheard me when saying memory card, memory stick, memory card, memory stick. You misheard me there.
I heard you, but I thought we were referring to a memory card, not a stick.
Ngikuzwile-ke kodwa mina-ke bengicabanga ukuthi ukhuluma ngayo i-memory card awukhulumi nge-memory stick.
My answers were based on the memory card, data-based.
Yes.
I didn't take it to a memory stick, like you are saying.
Yes.
That's why I try to clarify that, I thought you were talking about the memory card metadata, not the memory stick metadata. So there, I didn't hear you well.
Ingakho-ke sengichaza-ke manje-ke ukuthi mina-ke uma ngabe bengikuphendula-ke bengikuphendulela-ke phezu kwayo-ke i-memory card metadata kungasiyona-ke i-memory stick metadata.
However, it won't change if you can give the memory stick and show what you wanted to show, we can proceed.
Kodwa-ke angeke kushintsheke uma kuwukuthi ufuna ukunikeza-ke i-memory stick ubone-ke lokho ofisa ukuthi ukubone.
No, I won't give my memory stick to you. There, be rest assured. Otherwise, you will still confuse it. I'll give you a memory stick. You'll come and say it's a memory card.
No, I won't do that.
You will.
It's okay.
Yeah. So let me save you the day. You must have been told by the state that subsequent to your testimony on Thursday the 12th, my lord, I want to get into a new aspect. However, Ms. Jonas requested me that actually it should have been true to request an adjournment because there's something pressing that he needs to do at a family level, my lord. So I'm going to request for an adjournment up until on Monday and then finalize my cross-examination on this witness, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, Ms. Doctor.
My lord, the witness is available on Monday. We can proceed on Monday.
Are you available, sir?
I am available, madam.
Okay, matter then is postponed to Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
So kubeka-ke ngomsombuluko ngo-10 ekuseni.
My lord, I beg you for Mr. Ngumalo to stand in for me next week.
Hello?
I beg you for Mr. Ngumalo, my lord, to stand in for me next week.
What's going to happen next week?
Next week I'll be in another court, my lord.
I thought you said you're available for the next 2 weeks.
Yes, my lord, I said we've agreed that we'll proceed. Mr. Ngumalo will stand in for me. Then when it's my turn for cross-examination, I'll come back because I'm next door.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.